Weak acids are those that dissociate to a small extent in water, releasing few hydrogen ions. The table below shows some weak acids and their formula. A strong acid contains more hydrogen ions in solution than a weak acid for the same concentration. A strong base is one that dissociates completely in water to form many hydroxide ions in solution. A weak base is one that dissociates in water to a small extent to form few hydroxide ions in solution.
Hi guys, if this is the first time you've come to my channel, please go down the bottom, hit that subscribe, and turn on all notifications so you can get notified every time I post a brand new video similar to this. Keep watching.